Junkfoodtaster.com, and here we go, my beautiful friends. So the minion streak is over. The best video of the week is KitKat Cereals 1025 of you have voted. Where is the KitKat box? Aha, here it is. And I will make today a KitKat milkshake, and for the milkshake I need a blender mixer. Here I was going to the store buying this product. Alrighty, so the first part of the video will be unboxing of this my new household appliance. And the second part of the video will be the creation of this awesome KitKat cereal milkshake. Alright, and before I unbox it, I want to share you something. I lined it up so orderly. I want to show you this. Oopsie. This is my lunch. I will eat afterwards. So, okay. Completely random moment. Let's unbox this product. So Bosch, this is sort of a premium producer. There were also something more expensive, WMF. But I was going with this. There was also something cheaper. This is 55 euro or something. No, it's wrong. It's 46 euros. Anyways, and I rip it apart. So, okay, let's see. Can you see something? Yeah, the camera perspective is kind of not so good right now. Okay, so I think this is the lid for this. It seems very well thought, this product. Okay, here. Let's get this away. Here, even branding on this packaging, very good. So this is the cup, and it got hardened steel plates. This was the guy in the shop told me that these are the hardened ones. They can crush ice, made in Germany. So safe look. Okay. Yeah, I think it's a kind of simple concept. And here's the manual, which I will never read. And here's the part at the bottom. Here, bottom packaging. I could have zoomed out. This would have been helpful. Anyways. So if I'm interested in the safety features. So, okay. Oopsie. Alright, so I plugged it in. And I already can press the button. I still cannot attach this. I think you need to put it on first in order to do anything. Okay. Okay. Here we go. So we are ready. I wash it out. I wash it. And then we are ready to make our milkshake. Alrighty, let's do it. And what do we need for the KitKat cereal milkshake? We need some KitKat cereal. Here we go. Okay, this should be enough. Then we of course need ice cream. I'm now taking this Magnum vegan ice cream. Not really a milkshake, it's a vegan soya shake, but anyways. So, and somehow I need to get the stick out. So, just pull the stick out. Dropping this inside. And then we need some nice Alpro vanilla. So, yeah, I can make more shakes, of course, now. So, get the milkshake shell. Oh, this should work, I hope. Let's see what happens. So, this is utterly interesting. So this is what it looks like. Nice. This is a nice thumbnail. Maybe. So I put it on here. Camera can come here. Before I do it, I put the rest of the ice cream back in the freezer. Alrighty, so here we go, my dear friends. Let's get the party started. Yeah. So have you a good look. I press the button. Here we go. I hope we are finished now. So I'm unmounting this again. So screw this off. And here is our milkshake. Yeah, it's cold. It's nice. So let's get a nice glass and drink it. Alrighty, here we go. Old school taste test glass. And let's, oh wow, I like the effect a little bit. Cheers. Wow. So the cereal is so much shredded that yeah, it seems it's not a problem in terms of like that it's itchy or some little pieces. Yeah, definitely got cereal vibes in. Yeah, it's also vanilla. Yeah. Chocolate, of course. It's a tasty experience. Yeah. It feels a little bit gourmet. So it feels like I should have started sort of with the other thing first, not with KitKat, but KitKat has won the vote in. Yeah, KitKat is first. And if it wins again, I need to do something else. Oh no. Yeah, I would say this recipe is not not really discovery. It feels random. Yeah. Okie dokie. Oh, it's still a little bit dirty down there. Okay, lookbook. I read gourmet. If you like a typical cereal taste, then it's something for you. Otherwise, other ingredients would be better ideas. Talking about other ingredients, please write a comment. What is like a good milkshake idea? I have this blender now. I can make a lot of stuff. This was KitKat cereal. Yeah, a cold shake. It's nothing. There's no cow stuff involved. A little. I think there was a little bit cow stuff. There's this KitKat. Where is English? No English on this packaging, so we got French. So here, light. yeah, they used milk powder from this product. Okay, anyways, yeah, I'm just thinking about when I do the weekly vote-in, we could make it that we see this now as a milkshake video. Is this not? Yeah, no, let's not do it. Let's say this is still a KitKat video, and this count as KitKat. And yeah, but write down your milkshake ideas. Maybe make a separate milkshake video next week. Thanks for watching, my good friends, and see you on Monday.